Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First off, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll know the next time I share some content. Now, if you are a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Now, I want to thank Monique Roy for helping me build out this channel and what we're currently working on. I'm going to put his contact information right below just in case you need someone to help you grow your channel. Monique is the go-to. So are you tired of falling behind and into the trap of getting rich overnight? It's not going to happen, ladies and gentlemen. Not overnight success. The reality is this: strong wealth is not built overnight. It is built step by step. Now, if you're not working within the right system, then hard work alone will only frustrate you and waste your time. Take it from someone who has done it many times. Very frustrating. Now, our cash flow clarity system can change how you define financial freedom starting today. The foundation starts with a system that has been around for 25 years. This is where we're going to start. This isn't something that I developed, it's just going to be a part of what we're creating. You're going to learn how to make money the smart way with multiple levels of cash flow. If you can think big, you can create big wealth. To upgrade your lifestyle from average to elite, you must follow systems. Follow it in order. You're going to, first of all, create wealth starts with creating a clear goal and focus, writing down your goals. Random effort never leads to big success. Now, when you consistently apply useful, high value skills in your daily work, your bank account will naturally grow. Money always follows value. The more value you add to other people's lives, the more money you can make. Concentrate on helping other people. Multiply your money by increasing your output and expanding your opportunities. Again, this is a system. Work within the system. Making money is not the finish line. Only smart decisions and proper control systems can help you to retain your wealth. You've probably seen people get money and lose it almost instantly. So you're going to activate your automated cash flow engine in 3 simple steps. You're going to, first of all, the first step is to go to gettingcashtoday.com and create your digital account. I'm going to add that link right below. Second step is log into your profile and watch the exclusive 7-step special video masterclass carefully from the start to finish. You got to watch the whole entire presentation. Now, this is where you're going to get real support, direct support, mentorship from myself and my team. We don't leave anybody behind. We don't want you to figure it out for yourself, because when I help you make more money, I'm going to make more money. So I am, I have a reason. I'm vested in helping you be successful. So then you're going to text cash to 678-246-4951. That's my personal cell phone number. Text cash to that number. And if you can follow this system, financial freedom becomes inevitable. Have a great day.